A 8-member team from HBC participated in the very tough and grueling London to Paris Cycle Challenge. It is a 500-kilometer long ride and it is very tough. I rate it as one of the toughest rides in the world. The challenge is to do this tough ride over a distance of 500 kilometers in just 3.5 days. And this year it was even more difficult because of highly adverse weather conditions. It was continuously raining the first 2 days, and in fact on the first day it was a downpour. It is a deluge of a rain. When we were flagged off from London, it was raining heavily and it was biting cold. Throughout the day, that is a distance of 140 kilometers, we covered in the rain, and by the time we reached Dover Port, we were virtually numb. Then we crossed English Channel. Then the first night we stayed at Calais City. Then second day we started off again in the morning. Then we halted for the night at Arras, and that was a distance of about 125 kilometers second day. And the third day from Arras we went to Compiègne, and that is a distance of about 130 kilometers. Then the last day, fourth day, from Compiègne to Paris. We reached Paris by about 4 o'clock, that is Eiffel Tower. We reached Paris city by 3 itself, but going through the traffic, city traffic, it took a little longer. So by 4 o'clock we reached the destination, Eiffel Tower. All the 6 riders successfully completed. It is really very much heartening and satisfying to note that we could complete this. For me, this is the second time. In fact, me and my son Dharmin, we are the first father and son duo to have done this tough ride twice. We have done it in 2011 as well as now in 2013. My son is here. Determination, commitment, that's all. See, if you want to do it, you have to do it, that's all. Here, we don't walk for 5 minutes in rain. We hesitate to walk for a few minutes in the rain. But there, looking back, I also wonder as to how we could do it, but we have done it. Once you are in the rain, once you are totally soaked, that's it, you continue. And then the wind, there was a heavy gale and a lot of wind that made it very, very cold. But still, we braved the cold, we braved the adverse weather conditions, and we proceeded and completed. Well, here it is very steep. The London to Paris Cycle Challenge, it is through mountains and through forests of Kent, where it is a mud road, and then there are a lot of steep climbs. So that makes it very, very difficult. The world's toughest ride is Tour de France, and this, is definitely one of the toughest rides in the world. Yeah, and the weather made it even more difficult for us, but we have done it. We have done it, and we are happy about it. And in our group, we have a physically challenged participant, and then we have a husband-wife team. So all of us have completed. Yeah, the organizers, they took care of that. So they took care of the lunches and then the snacks en route. And of course, for dinner, we checked in into a hotel, and the dinner is there only. So that way, the backup arrangements are good. And on the first day, I had 3 punctures. Twice the tube had to be changed, and the third time the tire had to be changed. And the support group, they immediately did that. Very happy. And now I'm looking forward to doing another international ride. This time probably we will do it in Australia, because twice we have done it in Europe. We want to try another continent, probably Australia. And from HBC side, Hyderabad Bicycling Club side, we want to organize a similar ride in India. And we want to have international participation in that. So that we will be organizing pretty soon. Well, we want to make Hyderabad the most cycle-friendly city in India, and we want more and more people to take to cycling, so that it will help the environment and it will also help the physical well-being of the individual. Thank you.